Hey, what's good, YouTube? What's good? Jamo TV HD. I just wanted to talk to you about my Ticwatch E or my Ticwatch repair warranty experience. Now, obviously got my Ticwatch E here. For those of you that don't know, my Ticwatch E got wrapped earlier on this year. When did I get it? I can't remember. I think I got it in like the end of December, and like it lasted about 2 weeks. 2 weeks of casually wearing it. It was all calm. But as soon as I took it to a squash session, 30 seconds into me playing, I looked at the time, or I tried to look at the time, and the thing was completely wrapped. Blank screen. So yeah, obviously I hollered them on their official website where I purchased the watch, and they were like, okay, you need to go to a different website to be able to, use your warranty. So obviously, yeah, man went to that website. It was support.ticway.com. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, they had all these options. Well, only 3 options really: repair, return, and warranty. Obviously, I clicked on warranty. Don't know the thing has to be in warranty anyway, because like man has had the watch for about 2 weeks before it exploded on me. But anyway, yeah. So emails going back and forth, back and forth. I sent it to them on like the 9th of January. And like, a week went and I didn't hear nothing. So I emailed them again and they were like, oh yeah, we're sorting it out. But they didn't really give me much, detail about what's going on. They do have a little tracking system on the website. However, the tracking system is stuck on, we have received your watch and are, looking to do something with a returns label, blah, blah, blah. The tracking doesn't really tell you anything. So like, I was at a loss. I was like, wow, have they just taken this watch and just like lodged me? So, I think another couple of days passed and I sent another email to them. And, long story short, they finally, were like, okay, yeah, we've posted off your Ticwatch back to you. You should receive it in the next couple of days. And they sent me a tracking number. And they also sent me a confirmation email, but it wasn't a confirmation email of the watch return being sent to me. It was a confirmation email, like I was being sent a brand new watch from the Kickstarter campaign, because it literally said, dear backer, we have posted your watch, you should be receiving it soon. And here's the thing. So yeah, it's a brand new watch replacement. They didn't bother trying to fix the old one, that dead thing. So yeah, I just wait to open it and show you what's really good. Obviously, if you've seen a Ticwatch E unboxing before, then you'll know what to expect. You've got the Ticwatch there, obviously. You've got your USB cable in here. Got a little bit of silica gel going on. And I think down there at the very bottom, you've got the instruction manual. So, everything's looking good so far. They did tell me that they wasn't going to try to repair the old one. They said they were just going to, basically just replace it. Let me just try and get this out of here. Yeah, so I'm just inspecting the thing now, making sure that it definitely is a new watch, and it looks like it. It's very clean. My old watch definitely wasn't like this, especially after a session of squash. It's very clean, It's got the little screen protector on there as well. It's definitely a brand new watch, and it has a different serial number. So yeah, 3 weeks later, I got my Ticwatch back. 3 weeks later, like I got so addicted to Android Wear when I was using the Ticwatch, I had to actually sell my Pebble and get the Polar M600. So I'm going to be doing a little comparison between the two watches very soon. But first, yeah, obviously I'll get the Ticwatch E set up. But I just wanted to do this video, obviously, because a couple of people were asking me, what's the situation with my Ticwatch? Did it get repaired? And I thought it's only fair to say that, Mobvoi actually did their job in the end. They repaired my watch and sent me back the ting ting. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Shout out to Mobvoi for, getting the replacement sent to me eventually. But yeah, maybe it'll be best to buy this off of Amazon so you can just return it and get a replacement a lot quicker. But yeah, anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like if you liked the video, dislike if you did not like it. And any more questions, just drop them in the comment section below. Jamo out.